Hey everybody, in this interactive video lesson, we're going to solve two problems where we have to multiply fractions. All right, so come over here and grab a pen. All right, and just follow along with me. All right, so the first problem says, last week Linda's fruit stand sold 12 boxes of apples. Down the road, Barry's fruit stand sold 2/3 as many boxes of apples as Linda's did. How many boxes of apples did Barry's fruit stand sell? All right. So we know that Linda's fruit stand sold 12, okay, and Barry sold 2/3 of that amount, okay? So the question is, we want to know what 2/3 of 12 is. That's the question, right? Okay, write that down for me. And the important thing to know is the term of in math really means multiplication, okay? So we need to multiply 2/3, right, times 12 to get our answer. I'm going to write this as 12 over 1. So remember, to multiply fractions, you multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together. And your teacher might want you to cross-reduce first, but I'm going to reduce at the end. So 2 times 12 is 24. And 3 times 1 is 3. And now I need to reduce this. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. And that's our answer. It's important to make sure that it makes sense. Okay. So again, we know that Barry's fruit stand sold 2/3 of the amount. So that's a smaller number, right? So 8 is smaller compared to 12. So that should be correct. All right, let's go on to the next slide. And for this one, it says a recipe cookie requires 1/2 cup of sugar for every batch. How much sugar is needed to make 1.5 batches? All right. So we know that you need 1/2 cup for one batch. So we want to know how much you need for 1.5 batches. Okay. So for this one, we're gonna multiply 1/2 times 1.5. All right. And then to do that, we need to make 1.5 improper. So it's going to be 1/2 times 1.5 improper is going to be 3 over 2. And now we're ready to multiply. So 1 times 3 gives us 3. And 2 times 2 gives us 4. So we have a final answer of 3/4. All right. Good luck with the rest of the problems.